Wow, see this.
So you said you didn't know that it was coming. You've made these, interim declarations about them being allowed to stay for a certain period. Israel has said that a third country approved this transportation, but didn't say which country. Was it South Africa? I mean, did you approve this? I think you said that you didn't know about it.
No, we didn't approve any. We don't have any agreement with Israel to depopulate or to remove people from Gaza to South Africa, because that will go against a resolution that we support of a two-state solution, a resolution of the United Nations that Palestinians and the Israelis must live side by side in the Gaza Strip with the Palestinian authorities, and also in Jerusalem, with East Jerusalem as its capital. So there is no way we can agree to such an arrangement, because it will go against that resolution of the United Nations. And we will also not accept any further flights of this nature, just because it is against that resolution of the United Nations that there must be a two-state solution of